Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at... Here we are. We're at Munson Mountain hiking trail. This will be a peak, but I think it's going to be a teeny tiny one. I think I might just add it in, just because I've done it, and that's it. And then I'm going to switch to Campbell Mountain here, I think. So, let's see how far this goes. Alright, enough of the intro, let's get to it. Let's go to it. A few details about Munson Mountain is that it's only 600 meters long and it's only a 16 meter elevation gate. Now, that's not really a peak. I don't consider it a peak unless I put in another one along with it. And then I can sheet set it too. But this is the view you get from Munson Mountain on the low end. We gotta head up there, and I believe our final goal is up there. So, let's see how we do this. Just look how pretty all this is. Ooze cotton? Cotton? I don't know why I would use cotton. Well, it's a nice natural fiber, but I mean... Well, this is, I guess, the Penticton sign? Huh. So that's where that is, and that's where I am. Okay, well, that's neat. So here we are at the peak. Anticlimactic climb. A pretty view. Looks like down along here you can hike further along. Not doing that today. Gonna hit Campbell Mountain right away here. I think I'll take some photos. And I'll see you when I see you. Let's do it to it. I wanted to point out that the arrow leaf balsams are coming in. Now, I was hoping for one close to the trail, but I'm guaranteeing you the reason why I'm not seeing one close to the trail is they've been picked clean in here. Now, if you do pick one, it'll take 2 years for it to grow back. So, the plant itself takes a long time to establish itself and start propagating its flowers again. Trying to start off Campbell Mountain here. The Haul Trails map is not clear. It just told me to park there, and then when I go to navigate, it tells me to go way back there. Suffering to DQ. I don't know, I could go for a blizzard or something. I might be wrong. I wonder if that mountain there is Nicola. It's got the cell phone towers on top of it. It's kind of sort of in the range. So there's a good chance on it. That one's a really good hike. I think you have to get a pass in order to do it now at the reserve office. But it is a beautiful hike, definitely worth going. If you get a chance, set it up and do it. You will need GPS for sure though on your phone or something, because the turnoff on the loop is very easy to miss, and it could take you way down, way past where you parked. Oh wow, this is what you get to see from here. Actually, oh, there he goes. Let's see if I can just stop here for a bit. Relax. Well, I should really push on till the end. I mean, I am kind of on a fixed income of time. So yeah, if I didn't know better, that would be Okanagan Mountain right there, with the towers on top. It very well could be. I think it probably is, actually. So I think this one down here might be Conkle, and then there's Giant's Head in here. Yeah, I think that's Conkle, and Giant's Head should be way back there. It should be more Summerland area. I'm not sure now, actually. It looks about right because it's got that flat face to it. But I think Giant's Head is more in Summerland, but again, that's a lot of distance over there, so that's probably is Summerland, so yeah. I just want to make sure I'm not being blown off course here. I'm going to hang you guys up for a bit. Alright, let's do it to it. I know I'm within a kilometer of the top. I think I'm closer to 500 meters, maybe less. Now, there appears to be a structure over there. I wonder if that's a tower. Well, maybe I have proof of being on the top of Campbell Mountain after all. Look at that. I don't even think this took me really an hour. I think I started just after 12. It's now pretty much just 1. So maybe an hour up and a half an hour back. I might be able to pad it out to an hour. So I get some good quality time up here if I choose to take it. Ooh, is that a vulture up there? Yep. I ain't dead yet. You don't need me yet. Just because I smell like carrion don't mean I am it. Stop profiling me. Vulture, stop profiling. There's the view opening up over here. There's this view opening up over here. Look at that weather coming in. That could be a little distasteful. I feel the wind picking up. Oh, a lot of deer tracks in here. Oh, look at this. I am glad I did not give that up. Okay. Now, walking on terrain like this, there's a good chance of ticks. Ooh, there's all these arrowleaf balsams in here. I don't want to step or hurt any of them. Whatever that is, that's kind of like wild desert parsley in a bigger kind of sense. Look at that view back in there. The KVR should be up in there somewhere. Just wow, what a spot. Okay, let's find out if this log is gonna hold me. Feels like it could. I think what I'm gonna do is tuck my socks into my pants, or my pants into my socks and my shirt into my pants, just so if I do catch a little gremlin-y tick, he's not gonna be able to get past my clothing. And yeah, hopefully I'll catch him before he lobs onto the upper parts of me. Alright, I'll do some video of my kombucha just to make it a little more interesting. But yeah, right now I'm just going to relax and do it. Alright, catch you in a bit. Do you see my kombucha dancing? Today's flavor is Red Rubio's berry. Now it looks more orange because all those little bits in there that you see dancing, that's turmeric and ginger that I grated up. I was kind of worried I was going to get a little bit rained on. You know me, I'm kind of like an OnlyFans content provider. I don't mind getting wet for the viewers, but if I don't have to and still get come out on top, then yep, I'm going to do it. I'm going to stay dry. This is nuts. It's pretty close to dirt surfing time. Everybody's gonna think I'm into extreme sports. I'm just extremely not good at hiking. Whew. Do I want to go down that? Do I want to go back up that? And the answer is no on both fronts, just in case you're curious. The blue flamingo might save me. But you know what? If you believe in reincarnation, you only live a million times, so you might as well just get it over with now. Just put that life down right now. The lake is kind of looking like glass over there. You can see wind off in a bit, off in a distance, but up close it's all nice and glassy. That's probably a good little ant mound. Yeah, they're all scuttling on top of that. I should probably keep away from things like this. If you see this and you see the ants crawling around it, that is a very delicious food source for bears. If you see a bunch of crows circling overhead, they're probably crows or ravens. They could be after one of those mounds that a bear's dug up. So it does pay to be quite careful. This is really pretty. I don't know if you can see, but over here in the lake there, you can see kind of a storm brewing. It looks pretty rough. The wind is ripping right over it. There's a microburst on top of it. Yet over in this area here, it's nice and glassy, smooth. So that's just how unpredictable the weather can be out on the trails. You're not guaranteed a dry day. And you're not necessarily guaranteed a wet day either. Ooh, look at that guy. That guy's a freaking tarantula. The heck is that guy? What are you, bud? Hey, I'm talking to you. What are you? What the heck are you? Cripes. That's freaky deaky. You stay away from me. God, ew. Well, I just totally messed with that spider's day. Oh, that freaky spider. Ooh, I'm gonna have nightmares about that guy. Whew. Didn't even give me his name either, or a forwarding address so I can ask more questions. Like, what a jerk. That's like a diner's chair or something. Isn't that just crazy? I love how they leave water balls out for the dogs though. Is that why it's called the Dairy Queen Run? I don't know, probably not. That would be quite a stretch, I think. Just peachy. Look at this view out here. Like this little micro burst coming down and ruining somebody's day. Look over here. There's weather all around me. Maybe I should ooh, look at that. Snowy peaks up there. That would be nice. Ooh. That could be Apex. So Brent could be near that. I think I might just take a bit of a break here because I'm probably about halfway back already. the upper area. I think this way will be Naramata Way, and then over there will be Summerland. And here's our big bad raven again, doing his thing, just cutting through the air like it's nothing. Here I am struggling. Breathe a little deeper, you're making me look bad. Oh, hey, more bee action. He's very calm and relaxed. What he's probably doing is trying to soak up some of that sun and get a little warmth and a little energy. I don't think his tiny bee body can generate a lot of heat when it's cooler, and it was really nice earlier. You guys see any big crazy things in there? Some gonna jump out at me. Probably do without all that stuff, but other than that, it's kind of pretty in here. This biggie. Oh, that's an eagle. Oh, what are you? It wouldn't be a golden eagle. Look at him. Big he is. The raven's got a little gang going together, but they're leaving him alone. He's not a vulture. Got a mate there? No, that might be a raven trying to get up to the same level. I don't know if they're going to want to let him get above them. Or her. I don't know if I'm gendering an eagle correctly or not. Holy Moses. Well, that's pretty nice. make your skin crawl a little bit. Oh my goodness, look at that view. Alright, so I'm pretty much at the end here. This will be the outro. Campbell Mountain, I recommend it. Give it a shot. It was beautiful.